This video is to show you how to run the Cengage IDE for programming. Normally you would click on the link for the week, you would scroll down to the assignment, and you would click on the programming assignment. And this will take you to the programming assignment that you'll be doing. Now I don't want to do a programming assignment that you'll be submitting, so I'm going to do one that is not required of you, this programming assignment 1-4. So I'm going to select that, and when you're ready to start the assignment, you'll get this Start Assignment Now. I'm going to click on that. The IDE will appear. To the left, your instructions. Here in the center is where you'll enter your code, and over here to the right is the terminal, or where the code that you've written will display. So it wants me to create something that looks like this stop sign here. So I'm going to come over here to line 6, and where they've got the comments, I'm going to write create a stop sign. And now I need to do some code. So I'm going to write line, and I'm going to copy this so I don't have to do so much typing. And what I want to write is I want to go over some spaces, and I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 6. Then I'm going to do this again, and I just pasted. So now I'm going to just do a space, X, and then come over and do another X. So I'm just going to keep writing my code here. Okay. Did not mean to do that. Okay, so you get the basic gist here. And to run it, you click on this run arrow. So I'm going to run the code, and it's going to display over here. If I had an error, make an error in here, and I tried to run the code, it'll give me an error message, and it'll give me the line. So this error message here, stop sign on line 9. Come in here and I look at line 9, and I see that right line does not exist. So it's because right line is spelled incorrectly. So I fix that and try to run it again. And I can check my program by coming over here to Task and make sure that the program runs correctly. And got some errors. And it tells me the code is not correct because I didn't finish it. If I want to submit it, I can submit it, but it's not correct. But here's the submit button right here. I could submit it, which I did. And you'll see that I only got 18 points on it because that's all that I did correct. But that's how you work with the IDE in Cengage. Now, of course, I can fix this and resubmit it, which I would recommend anybody do. That's it.